The drain cock is threaded into the bottom of your compressor's tank. It allows you to drain the water condensation that forms inside the tank. Over time, it can begin to leak, or can be sealed shut due to corrosion. When this happens, it will need to be replaced. Replacing the drain cock is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you start any work on your air compressor, be sure to drain any compressed air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the old drain cock from the compressor. I'll use a wrench to unscrew the drain cock from the tank. Now I can install the new drain cock. I'll wrap the threads with thread tape so it doesn't leak. And that's how easy it is to replace the drain cock on your air compressor.